Here's how you can use the powerful psychological hack of feedback loops to get what you want in business and life. Most of us in our lives are our own worst enemies. We actually stop ourselves from getting what we want. And one of the biggest ways we do that is we talk too much. The other person is ready to do the thing we want them to do, and we keep talking and blow the whole thing up. What I want you to do is practice using feedback loops. Those are things like this. Does that match what you were thinking? Does it make sense what I'm saying? Do you have any other ideas that you want to add to that? What are your thoughts? Did I miss anything? I want you to, every 30 seconds or so, when you're speaking with somebody, throw a feedback loop in. Does that make sense? And get them to talk. You are going to find that not only are you going to have much better conversations, but the other side is going to start saying things like, yeah, absolutely, let's do this, I'm ready to go, way before you thought they were. Stop killing your progress in life. Engage the other person, ask for a feedback loop, and you'll get your way. My name is Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.